I was thinking of projects that we could do in a crafty kind of way that can use normal household items so that we don't have to send you to the store for any items that, the stores are closed. So things that you normally would have at home, things that would eventually lead to mindfulness, both for children and for seniors. And I believe that this project that we have for you today accomplishes that. So I hope you like it. So what it's called is an I Spy bottle. And what we're going to do to make this bottle is you can make it as fancy or as simple as you'd like. You don't need to do, I'll tell you, there's some things that you need to do with some things that you can substitute for, but what we're going to use is a water bottle. So just a plain old plastic throwaway or recyclable water bottle. I like this. I picked up this smart water bottle, which is a little bit heftier than the generic water bottles, and it's a quart or 1 quart and 1.8 fluid ounces size. So it's just a little bit bigger so that I can add a lot of goodies into my finished bottle. I also liked it because, you can use any bottle that you like, any bottle that you have sitting around waiting to be recycled. This one has a really nice label that can be easily taken off, and then you just have a blank canvas to work from and build a really cool I Spy bottle. So here we are, we have our plain bottle, and we will also need rice. So rice or something to fill the bottle. So I have, I've colored some rice, and in order to do that very easily, all you need to do is put your rice into a Ziploc bag, add some food coloring, a tablespoon of water, shake and massage that rice until it's fully colored. Let dry onto a cookie sheet for about an hour. And then you have some very brilliant colored rice, just like this. So we'll need, if you don't have rice, don't worry about it. If you don't have food coloring, you can use white rice. You can use lentils. I've seen other projects that have used beans, that have used the white rice, that have used any kind of grain or anything that you have in your pantry that you have enough of to basically fill this bottle. You'll need some minis. So look around the house in your junk drawer, find some items. I had some little tiles. Maybe you have some buttons at home that are fun to look at or that are shaped in a novel shape. I found these little beads at the dollar store. They are the alphabet beads, $1 for this bag. I found some trinkets from the party section of Walmart. Here's some favors, little babies. I thought they were very cute. They were $2. But really, you do not need to go shopping. Anything that you can find around your house that actually can fit into the top of this bottle is all you need to find. So I have found a bunch of little toys, little items. I made sure that they fit into the bottle. This is a leftover from a project for fairy gardens. I even found some game pieces that I put stickers on so I have a pretzel sticker. My niece had these little calico critters that she doesn't play with anymore. They fit right into the bottle. And you know, some other items that I just had laying around the house. Here is a rhinestone just for pizzazz. I love shiny things. Anybody that knows me knows that I love shiny things. You'll also need a piece of paper, a piece of typing paper, clear paper, or blank paper. And what you want to do is write everything that you have found that is your minis and are going to be added to the bottle. You'll make a list of those before, you'll make a list of those before you put them in the bottle so that you don't forget everything that's in the bottle. For my paper, I used some tape, some Scotch tape to kind of laminate the paper so that it's less likely to get destroyed by little baby hands. I also had some punches, some art punches that I found that look like this, that I just punched out some paper, and I can add those little confetti pieces to the collection of minis. I'm going to add some glitter along with my rice just to add some sparkle because like I said again, I love anything that sparkles. So, all we need to do now that we have collected all of our items is make a funnel. I'm going to make a funnel out of just an ordinary piece of paper. Okay, I made a funnel. I'm going to start adding my rice. Into the bottle. Adding some of the minis along with the rice. Oh, that one got stuck. I've got donuts, plastic donuts. Probably use a spoon or a spatula to make this much easier. I really like this. I had some leftover food coloring because we really didn't get to color Easter eggs this year, did we? So this food coloring in particular was neon colored, and boy, is it very pretty. And it just colors the white rice so easily and vibrant. Probably about this full, maybe 80 to 90% full. You'll still want there to be room for the rice and the minis to move around so that you are able to find the items as you shake the bottle. Okay, so then you finish by putting your label on the bottle and putting the top on, and you're good to go. So I hope you liked the project. Until we meet again in person, please continue to follow the HIVE channel. Give us some ideas of what you'd like to see, and I'll see what I can do. We want this to be about you and continue our relationships while we can't be together in person. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoyed.